Today we are going to talk about using compound subjects and predicates in our writing. To make your writing smoother, join two short sentences with the same subject or predicate. Use the conjunction and or to form a compound subject or predicate. Let's look at the examples below to see how we can do this. Acorns grow on trees. Walnuts grow on trees. Since these two short sentences have the same predicate, we can join the two subjects together using the conjunction and to make a smoother sentence. Acorns and walnuts grow on trees. Acorns and walnuts is the compound subject, and grow on trees is the predicate. Let's look at the next example. The dog finds a toy. The dog buries a toy. These two short sentences have the same subject, so we can use a conjunction to join together the two predicates. The dog finds and buries a toy. The dog is the subject, and finds and buries a toy is the compound predicate.